Dear students, today let's study about integers. A small introduction to integers. Do you know what are integers? Okay, let's see what are integers. After this module, you will be able to understand about integers. Our chapter 6 is, name of the chapter 6 is integers. Integers. What are integers? Before that, we have to discuss some opposites of some statements. Here you have given some statements. We write the opposite of that statement. Okay, first statement is increase in weight. Very simple. All of you know what is the opposite of increase in weight. Very clearly it is decrease in weight. Next, 30 kilometer north. Answer is 30 kilometer south. C question. 326 BC. BC means before Christ. Then 326 AD. AD is the answer. Next example. D question. Loss of Rs 700. Answer is profit of Rs 700. Loss and profit are opposites. D question. 100 meter above sea level. Then answer is 100 meter below sea level. Now let's discuss what are integers. In this we have to discuss about the opposites. Here you can see some numbers. Then -3, -2, -1, then 0, 1, 2, 3. Here you can see 0 in the middle of this number series. So first you understand that integers are some types of numbers. Here you can see 1, -1, 2, -2, 3, -3. That means these 1, 2, 3 are opposite of -1, -2, -3, etc. Or -1, -2, -3, etc. are the opposites of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Here the central value is 0, that all of us know 0. Then right side of 0. Right side of 0 are some numbers that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And left side are numbers -1, -2, -3, -4, etc. Then right of 0 are called positive integers or positive numbers. Then left of 0 are called negative integers or negative numbers. So central value is 0. Right of 0 are called positive numbers. Left of 0 are called negative numbers. So integers are the numbers including negative numbers, positive numbers and 0. These three collection are called integers. So have you got the point about integers? Integers are numbers which includes 0, positive numbers and negative numbers. Okay. Understanding integers. An integer is a whole number that has a positive sign or a negative sign including 0. Is a whole number that has a positive sign plus or a negative sign minus including 0. All the positive numbers are with the sign plus, all the negative numbers are with the sign minus. Okay. A positive integer is a whole number with a positive sign or without any sign. Example, +2, +7, 8, 12 are positive numbers. We do no need of writing plus sign before positive numbers. It is not compulsory. We can write it as just 2, 7. Okay. Next, a negative sign or a negative integer is a whole number with a negative sign. We should write a negative sign before that number. That is must. Example, -3, -10, -20, etc. This read as -3, -10, -20 also. We must put a minus sign before a negative number. Okay. State the integers from the list below. Which are the integers here? -2, +2 by 5, 6, -2.9, 0, 3, 1 by 4. What is the answer? You collect only integers. We know the integers are -2, 6, 0. The other numbers, that is 2 by 5 and 3, 1 by 4 are fractions. -2.9 is a decimal. So they are not integers. The integers are only, which one? Integers are -2, 6 and 0 only. Next one, number line. Here you can see a number line. This is the method of drawing a number line. You just draw a line, then central you mark it as 0 and right side positive numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Then on the left side -1, -2, -3, -4, etc. Then when we goes from right side, when we goes to right side, the numbers are increasing. 0, right of 0, positive numbers, the numbers are increasing. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. The numbers are increasing. That is 2 is greater than 1. 4 is greater than 3. Just like. On the other side, that is in the negative integers, the numbers are decreasing. That is -1 is greater than -2. -2 is greater than -3. Out of -5 and -1, which is greater? -1 is greater. -5 is smaller than -1. The numbers are decreasing when it goes from -1, -2, -3, etc. Okay. Determine the largest integer and the smallest integer from the following set of numbers. 1, -2, 3, 0, -5. Which is the largest integer? -2, -5. These are negative numbers. 1, 3, 0 are positive numbers. So clearly we know -2, -5 are smaller numbers, that are negative numbers. So which is the greater number? 3 is the greater number. 3 is the greater number. Then 0, -2, -5 are there. Then which is the smallest number? -5 is the smallest number. Which integer is smaller, -5 or 3? Which is smaller? -5 is smaller. -5 is smaller. Okay. Next, which integer is greater? -2 or -8? Which is greater? -2 is greater. Okay, next. Here you can see a number line. 0, origin. Origin means center. Then positive numbers, negative numbers. We have to identify numbers and successor. Successor means the next number, that when we add 1 to the given number, we will get the successor. 10. What is the successor of 10? 11. 11 is the successor. Successor of 8? 9. Successor of -5. Look at here. -5 is the negative number. Then successor is -4. -4. Next number is -4, not -6. -6 is less than -5. We have to find the greater number of -5, that is -4. Answer is -4. Then -3. Here you can see -3. Which is the successor? -2. Then 0. Which is the successor? Next number? 1. Just right side of the given number, that is successor. Next, predecessor. The same number line, we find the predecessor. number is 10. What is the predecessor of 10? Left side, just left of the given number, that is 9. Predecessor is 9. 8. Predecessor is 7. Minus 5. Here you can see minus 5. Left side minus 6. So predecessor is minus 6. Minus 3. Predecessor is minus 4. 0. Predecessor is minus 1. Left of the given number, that is predecessor. Next we have to study some question. Represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate sign. An aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meter above the ground. Above the ground. Above is greater, so it is represented as positive. Positive 2000 m. We do not write a plus sign for a positive number. So answer is 2000 meter. Next, B question. A submarine is moving at a depth 800 meter below the sea level. 800 meter below the sea level. Below is negative. We represented it as negative. Below is smaller, so it is represented as negative 800 meter. Next question. A deposit of rupees 200. Deposit is greater one. Deposit is greater, so it is represented as positive. Rs 200. No need of writing plus sign. D question. Withdrawal of rupees 700. Withdrawal is decreasing. That is decreasing our amount. Withdrawal is represented as negative integer. Withdrawal is smaller one, so it is negative. Next, write the following numbers with appropriate sign. 100 meter below sea level. Below means smaller. Below means smaller, so we represent it as negative, minus 100 meter. Next, B question. 25 degrees Celsius above 0 degree. Above means greater, so it is positive. 25 positive, no need of plus sign. 15 degree below 0 100. Below means smaller, so minus. So above positive, below negative. Next, represent the following numbers with appropriate on a number line. Number line. We have to mark these numbers on a number line. So first we draw a number line like this. We already studied number line. You draw a line, center you marked as origin, then right of 0, positive number, left of 0, negative numbers. We have to mark plus 5 here. Plus 5, you can see plus 5. Plus 5 is positive 5. Minus 10 is a negative number. Plus 8 is a positive number, so we mark in positive side. Then minus 1, negative side. Minus 6 also negative side. Okay children, that's all for today. Next, we have one follow-up activity. The question of follow-up activity is, how many minutes in a day? Repeat, how many minutes in a day? That is today's question. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.